Hi dear Pisces, very good afternoon to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is journal, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. And this is from today till the 10th of October, okay? Pisces, your partner's current energy right now is, let me see. This card jumped out for you, the Sun. Could be dealing with a Leo here. Your partner right now is very happy, really happy. This is the happiest card in the deck, the Sun. It could be like they are literally happy. They got something that they are so much happy that they are experiencing the joy of their life. Okay, a very good phase of their life. Or it could mean that they are trying to show you that they are really happy and they don't give a fuck about you, about this connection, about this relationship. There is an illusion that they are creating for themselves, actually not for you, for themselves. They are trying their best to show you that they are really happy without you. Okay, let me clarify the Sun. Might be they are literally happy. Let me see. The Justice, okay, the Six of Swords and the Seven of Pentacles. You could be dealing with a Libra here. So I feel like this person is trying to show you that they are really happy because they are just waiting for the right time for the justice thing to happen, because they are feeling like you did something wrong with them or you did something wrong with the relationship and the connection was sucking because the connection sucks in the past because of you. That is what they feel. And they're just waiting for the right time for the justice to happen. And this time this person is feeling like the justice will happen. No matter how much time it's going to take, the justice will happen. And that's why this person is showing you that they are literally happy. They don't have a care in the world that what you are doing or what you are up to or something like that. They are trying to show you that they are very happy. Okay, but beneath the surface, this person is just waiting for the justice thing to happen. Waiting very eagerly for the justice thing to happen, okay? Yes. Okay, let's see what's your current energy, Pisces. Seven of Cups. So you are very confused. Seven of Cups is the energy of confusion. Might be you're confused between so many options around you, or might be you're confused between two people around you, holding the equal potential of becoming a potential partner with you in the future. Or it is also possible that you are confused, what should I do? What should I do? Like, should I choose my career? Should I choose my emotional health? Should I choose my physical health? What should I do? What the actual heck I want in my life? This is literally very confusing for you. Okay, let me clarify the Seven of Cups as your current energy. This is the Page of Wands, the Page of Pentacles and the King of Swords. Actually yes, you're very confused about your money matters, like your job or business or whatever you're doing. You're really confused. What should I do? Should I explore new options? Should I just stay with the past options that I had, I had stable income or I had a stable job or something like that? You are trying your best to be clear and honest with yourself, but you are not able to find a way at all. This is Page of Wands, this is Page of Pentacles. Both the pages energies here. Or it could be possible there are lots of options that are involved in this connection or in an emotional relationship with you that you are not able to decide which one is the best one for me. Which one should I choose? Which one should I lose? This is what is happening with you. You are not at all clear about things. Although you are trying your best to be very honest with yourself and you are carrying lots of good intentions for yourself, but you are not able to decide at all that what is good for you or what is bad for you, or what should I leave or what should I do. Confusing energy. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see. Four of Pentacles. They are trying to control their emotions, hold their emotions, not able to reveal it to you. Actually not willing to reveal it to you what they are currently feeling. They're trying to control freak, being a control freak. They feel their feelings for you are of controlling emotions. They're trying their best to control their emotions, hide their emotions from you, and not telling you exactly what they're doing or what they're feeling. You know? Let me see why. Four of Pentacles as their feelings for you. Ace of Wands, Two of Cups, Five of Pentacles. Actually, this person wants to have a brand new beginning with you because they feel a soulmate connection with you, a soulful connection with you, but they are doing the reverse. They are doing the reverse. First of all, they are holding back, then they are walking away because they are feeling that you did something really wrong with them. Although they feel like you have a soulmate energy with them and you are their soulmate, although they feel like they should have a brand new beginning with you, they should have a brand new connection with you, but they are just trying to walk away. They're just trying to walk away from the situation, from you, because they don't want to reveal anything about them, about their emotions to you, because they feel like you betrayed them, or you did something literally wrong with them, and that's why they are just trying to walk away. Or they are feeling like you walked away in the past, so that's why they should not connect with you, or they should not talk to you, because you might do it again with them. This is kind of confusing situation that they are right now in. They're trying their best to hold back, they're trying their best to control the emotions, and they're doing this because they feel like you did something really literally wrong with them, with the connection. So that's why they are just hiding their emotions from you, controlling their emotions. They don't want to feel for you, but they are feeling for you, and that's why they are trying to control the emotions. This is what is happening. Okay, let me see what this person wants from you, Pisces. Five of Wands. This person wants to confront you. This person literally wants to confront you. They don't want to listen to you. They don't just want to fight with you. What? This is rubbish, right? Yes, but this is what they want. They want to fight. They want to give you a tough fight, actually, and they want to get so many answers from you because they have lots of questions, lots of doubts. Let me clarify the Five of Wands as what they want from you. The Empress, the Two of Wands, and the Nine of Wands. They want to fight with you because they have emotions for you, and they just want to wait for the right time to tell you that they have emotions for you. But for now, because they are deeply hurt, so that's why they are standing their ground, and their ground is telling them that fight. Fight, and let's make this mess more messy, more conflicting, more chaotic, and more complicated, because they want to have justice. They want to take some kind of revenge from you, actually. But deep down, this revenge, the feeling is that they love you. The feeling is that they have taken a decision that in the future, might be you guys will be together. In the future, they will reconciliate with you. But right now, they just want to give you a tough fight, a pain in the ass, you can say, just to make themselves feel good about a situation that was happening in the past, that happened in the past, might be. And they are so deeply hurt that they just want to have a revenge. They don't want to hurt you physically. They don't want to take that kind of revenge where they want to hurt you physically or make you emotionally drained or something like that. They just want several answers from you, why you did that, why you reacted like that, why this happened, why that happened. But for the time being, they just want to fight with you. This is what they want from you, to fight with you and to clear out everything that happened in the past. But in the future, they don't want to fight. In the future, they want to have a beautiful connection with you. They are just waiting for the right time for that connection to develop, might be. Okay? Tough situation they are in right now. They want to give you a tough fight. Cool. Got it. Let me see what is coming towards you till the 10th of October. Pisces. Ten of Wands. See? you are going to feel under pressure, so much of pressure that you will not be able to handle the pressure. You will try to give up on a situation, but you will not be able to give up. It could be you, it could be them, it could be the mutual energy for the relationship. 10 of Wands. Very heavy energy of feeling under pressure, under stress, not able to release the stress no matter how hard you are trying to do that, but constantly in some kind of pressure or constantly in some kind of, stress. Let me clarify the 10 of Wands. The Emperor, the Strength, my God, the Page of Cups. Could be dealing with an Aries here, could be dealing with a Leo here. After this tough fight, there will be a brief period of silence. There will be a decision and the decision will be, let's start from scratch. Let's start the friendship again and let's see where it is going. After this fight, after this pressure, after this trauma that you both are going to experience, you guys are going to decide, let's not talk to each other at all. Let's have a silence, fucking silence. Just give each other space and time. Then after the space and time is given, there will be a brand new beginning from scratch. From scratch actually. You guys will try your best to restart this connection with a positive note, you can say, with a positive attitude. Now I don't know whether you are going to carry this positivity for longer, but this is what you guys are going to try actually, at least. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.